Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making boneless mutton on clay pot. It's yummy. Boneless mutton 500 grams, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, salt as per taste, turmeric half tablespoon, water 2 cups. Cook until mutton tender. Now in same pan, oil 3 tablespoon, chopped onion 1 cup, green chilies 1. Saute for 10 minutes on medium heat. Now add tender mutton. Now add garam masala 1 tablespoon, red chili powder 1 tablespoon. Mix everything. Cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Now ready to serve. Enjoy with rice or roti. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video. Get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.